Oh darling, won't you stay? We'll make heaven out of my place. It's been one hell of a day. It shouldn't rain like this in LA. Ooh, yeah. Maybe I'll get some feelings for you. Maybe we'll make a mess. Maybe I'll roll one up for later. Ooh, if you wanna get mellow, alright, yeah. If you wanna get wine drunk by my side, oh baby, we can stay mellow, yeah. We can make this apartment paradise. Ooh, maybe I'll put a record on and dance until we forget. Maybe I'll put a record on and get as high as we can. Maybe I'll light some candles for you. Maybe we'll order in. Maybe I'll put a record on so we could get mellow, just like we're 17. Home alone back in your basement. Girl, you know just what I mean. I love the way our time is wasted. Ooh, maybe I'll get some feelings for you. Maybe we'll make a mess. Maybe I'll roll one up for later. Ooh, if you wanna get mellow, yeah. If you wanna get wine drunk by my side, oh baby, we can stay mellow. We can make this apartment paradise. Ooh, maybe I'll put a record on and dance until we forget. Maybe I'll put a record on and get as high as we can. Maybe I'll light some candles for you. Maybe we'll order in. Maybe I'll put a record on so we could get mellow. Maybe I'll get some feelings for you. Maybe we'll make a mess. Maybe I'll roll one up for later. And we could do whatever. I really don't care. Alright. If you wanna get wine drunk by my side, oh baby, we can stay mellow. We can make this apartment paradise. Ooh, maybe I'll put a record on and dance until we forget. Maybe I'll put a record on and get as high as we can. Maybe I'll light some candles for you. Maybe we'll order in. Maybe I'll put a record on. Oh darling, won't you stay? We'll make heaven out of my place. It's been one hell of a day. It shouldn't rain like this in LA. Ooh, yeah. Maybe I'll get some feelings for you. Maybe we'll make a mess. Maybe I'll roll one up for later. Ooh, if you wanna get mellow, alright, yeah. If you wanna get wine drunk by my side, oh baby, we can stay mellow, yeah. We can make this apartment paradise. Ooh, maybe I'll put a record on and dance until we forget. Maybe I'll put a record on and get as high as we can. Maybe I'll light some candles for you. Maybe we'll order in. Maybe I'll put a record on so we could get mellow, just like we're 17. Home alone back in your basement. Girl, you know just what I mean. I love the way our time is wasted. Ooh, maybe I'll get some feelings for you. Maybe we'll make a mess. wanna get wine drunk by my side, oh baby, we can stay mellow. We can make this apartment paradise. Ooh, maybe I'll put a record on and dance until we forget. Maybe I'll put a record on and get as high as we can. Maybe I'll light some candles for you. Maybe we'll order in. Maybe I'll put a record on so we could get mellow. Maybe I'll catch some feelings for you. Maybe we'll make a mess. Maybe I'll roll one up for later. And we could do whatever. I really don't care. Alright. If you wanna get wine drunk by my side, oh baby, we can stay mellow. We can make this apartment paradise. Ooh, maybe I'll put a record on and dance until we forget. Maybe I'll put a record on and get as high as we can. Maybe I'll light some candles for you. Maybe we'll order in. Maybe I'll put a record on. Oh darling, won't you stay? We'll make heaven out of my place. It's been one hell of a day. It shouldn't rain like this in LA. Ooh, yeah. Maybe I'll catch some feelings for you. Maybe we'll make a mess. Maybe I'll roll.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick no talk run through of this tutorial that I was creating with the LORAC Mega Pro 2, which is my second installment in my Rocking Every Palette series. I'm going to try to give you a variety. Some of them I'll just do on fast forward and show you my process. Some of them I'll talk you through. We're just going to do a variety so that as we make our way through, there's just a bunch of different things for you to watch and it doesn't become monotonous. So, I do like the way it turned out. I think it's pretty. It's not as I intended it to. I was looking for a lavender and purple look, and this looks more like a navy blue look, but considering what I'm wearing, it ended up matching up perfectly, so I'm happy with that. But that's the fun thing about makeup and makeup discovery, is that when you just sit down and play, you never know what you're going to come up with, and I'm actually happy. I think it's really pretty. So that's it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.
Maybe we'll order in. Maybe I'll put a record on so we could get mellow, just like we're 17.